Hello and welcome to episode 3 of Fast Fridays. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to turn your color grades into LUTs using Davinci Resolve. This clip here of this butterfly in my front garden is the video that we're going to be making the LUT with. So to get going here, all we're going to do is boost up the contrast a bit, boost up the saturation a bit, take down that contrast a touch, and then say we want it to be a little bit on the green side in the highlights, we'll bring that down. And then if we want maybe some magenta in our shadows, we'll go ahead and go like that. So we have kind of a unique looking effect here. We're not going for great, we're going for quick. So we've done that, and now all we have to do to turn this color grade into a LUT, all of your grades that you've done, this isn't going to capture things like masks or color selections with the dropper tool, just the grade, right? So we're going to right click on our clip right here. We're going to generate 3D LUT. We're going to do a 65 point cube, but 33 is normally fine as well. And then we're going to go ahead and put these in our LUT folder. I have a folder here called user made LUTs that I'm going to put this in. So we'll just go ahead and slap that in there and call it pink and green. Slap that in there, and now we have it showing up right here. So if we reset the node grade now, and we go ahead and double click this, we've got our pink and green LUT on our footage. Here it is without it, here it is with it. It's that easy to make LUTs in Davinci Resolve. Most of the work is going to be in the color grading process. I hope you guys learned what you were here to learn, and I will see you next Thursday.